Hi students, this is Dr. Karen Perez, and today we'll be discussing about the new 7th edition of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association, the APA format. So we'll be looking at what was in the 6th edition and what the changes have been made in the 7th. We'll be focusing primarily on the title page. So, the running heads are abbreviated version of the paper title. So what is the title of your paper? And the running head will be just an abbreviation of it. So for example, if the title of your paper is Critical Thinking in Nursing, a Concept Analysis, your running head is just going to be a shorter version such as Critical Thinking, or it could be Critical Thinking in Nursing. So running heads are only required now for manuscript that will be submitted for publication. So nursing students, this is good news for you. No longer points will be deducted from your papers because you did not write your paper using the appropriate and correct APA format. So again, it's not required for students. However, if your instructor requires it, then you should use it. So regarding the number of characters in the running head, it should be a maximum of 50. If your running head is less than 50, then you can use the entire title as your running head. Keep in mind that the running head, the counting of the characters will include letters, punctuations, and spaces. So my running head, Critical Thinking, is actually short. It's actually 17 characters included in the space. So I may then use my entire title, or I may include in nursing to lengthen it. So it must be a maximum of 50 characters. Also, do not use abbreviations in the running head. The only exception is the and sign, which can be used instead of the word and. So running head should be written in the header page in your Word document as noted in the photograph here. So it should be located in the flush left hand side, which is the same as the 6th version. However, the difference between the 6th edition and the 7th edition is that no longer is the word running head or the label running head is required to be in the header. So the only thing you'll have is just a short version of your title, and in this case, Critical Thinking. And then in your right flush, you will have the number. On this example here, you'll notice that there is no words, only numbers. For nursing students, as I mentioned before, it is no longer required to have a running head. Only make sure that you have your paper, your number on your page, and it should be in your right upper corner, right flush. So let's look at an example on how you would do that on a Word document. So here's a Word document, and I would like to activate the header section. So I will double click on the top. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to say insert, page number, top, and we said it must be right flush. So I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to write my running head, Critical Thinking in Nursing. Going to make sure I put my space out and put my one so that it is right flush. So here we go. So this method is used when you're going to send the manuscript out for publication. Otherwise, if you're a nursing student, then you do not need to have a running head. The only thing you will have is just the number in the header. But again, for nursing student, make sure that you checked with your institution to see if they're using the 7th edition or if they're still using the 6th. All right, and check with your instructor to be sure. So I hope this video was helpful. Please click the like button below and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.